Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me today. And today I have a special announcement in that we are launching and releasing the Butterfly course to our Options Mastery series coming up next week. So stay tuned. I'm going to share with you some details. All right, so if you've taken some of the other courses that I have available on options trading, you know that they are long and detailed. And for that, you get very detailed information on trading the different spreads, like an iron condor, like a calendar, diagonal. So we've already released quite a handful of courses. And coming up next, we're going to have the Butterfly course. I was expecting to release this in October, but with people being more interested in it and, editing being a little ahead of schedule, it seems like we can release it early enough here coming up in just the next week. So that'll be pretty good. And then what's going to happen is we'll release it in blocks over the next month as we wrap up maybe another 5 modules or so, or trade examples. So most of it will be complete, but it'll be kind of on a week-to-week release. So if you're interested in getting this, you can go to our website at Rise, the number 2, LEARN. And once this countdown timer ends, a little before that, we're going to slowly change these buttons around for you, and then you'll be able to go ahead and basically purchase the course. We released the Options Mastery Diagonals, a little while ago, and when you look at this course, it's very detailed. If you look at all the modules and breakdowns, it's about 18 hours. Now this Butterflies course is about the same length. Actually, it's a little bit longer, because I put in more trade examples. That's what people said they want to see, is more trade examples. And we go ahead and kind of cover a lot of concepts similar to this, but of course focusing in on butterflies. So I'm going to share with you more insight on this as we go ahead and get closer to kind of the release. But just want to let you know that, hey, we have that Butterflies course coming out very, very soon in this next week. So keep your eyes peeled for that. One of the best ways to get notified when it's released is get on the newsletter list. So when you go ahead and click this, you'll get notified kind of with a pop-up. And you can also see here, you'll get pop-up here. You can go ahead and put your email there, and that way you're on our newsletter list, so that way you can receive other additional information like how to get extra coupon codes, which I'll share with you in a bit, because the early birds, or the people who kind of pre-order it that first month, will get a slight discount. So anyways, thanks for joining me. I just want to share with you this announcement and give you some insights. And if you want to get signed up to the newsletter list, then go ahead and get one of these freebies below. You could subscribe to the YouTube channel, or just keep watching some more great videos. I'll also post some links in the description below, so that way you can get some quick access points to these areas. But keep your eyes peeled. It's going to be a great course. A lot of knowledge and information for trading butterflies. So if you're interested in trading either non-directionally, directionally, reduce your risks, maybe you don't want to day trade and you have a full-time job, butterflies will fit right in there. So stay tuned. I'll share with you more insight as the next couple weeks progress.